In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects using Luminar Neo. This is going to be a quick and straightforward tutorial designed to get you comfortable with the tools and features Luminar Neo offers for object removal. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone looking to clean up a few distractions in your images, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. To begin, go ahead and launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. You should see its vibrant interface come to life, welcoming you with a suite of tools and options to explore. Once you've got Luminar Neo open, your first task is to select the image you'd like to work on. You can do this by navigating to the Catalog tab. Here, you'll find a list of your available images. Simply click on the image you want to modify. If your desired photo isn't there, don't worry. Just click on Add Photos to browse through your computer and select the one you need. Once you have your image ready, switch over to the Edit module to get started on the fun part. In the Edit module, you'll see various sections, but today, our focus will be on the Essentials section of the Edit panel. Here, you'll find the Erase tool, our magic wand for getting rid of unwanted objects in your photograph. Once you've selected the Erase tool, use the brush to paint over the object you want to eliminate. Luminar Neo offers flexibility with its brush size. You can adjust the brush size using a handy slider, or if you prefer quick keyboard shortcuts, use the bracket keys to resize. The larger brush is excellent for more prominent objects, while the smaller one can be precise for intricate details. Now, with your object covered, hover over to the Erase button and give it a click. The process of removing the object will begin, and usually, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how seamlessly the object blends out of the frame. If you notice smaller imperfections that need some touch-ups after the main object is gone, use a smaller brush to select these spots and repeat the erase process. This technique helps ensure that your image looks natural and polished. Luminar Neo also comes with specialized tools for tricky tasks, like removing power lines or small dust spots. Look for the arrow next to the Erase tool. Click it to reveal tools tailored for these specific edits. These tools can save you lots of time and improve the accuracy of complex removals. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily clean up your images using Luminar Neo, making them look as polished and professional as possible. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll soon be a pro at removing unwanted objects from your photos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks.